Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. In last video already it is taught about different type of fractions and the comparison of the fractions and type of fractions everything. But today here we will discuss about the addition and the subtraction of the fractions. Okay, so to knowing about the addition and the subtraction of the fractions, again you have to remember the like fractions and the unlike fractions. What do you mean by the like fractions? Like fractions means having same denominator, and unlike fraction means having different denominators. Okay, fractions having different denominators. So let's we have to start about all these things. How we have to do addition in case of the fractions. Okay, if the fractions, suppose it is given, the fractions have the like fractions. Suppose it is given, you have the like fractions, then what you will have to do, you just only add the numerators by taking the same denominators as the common. Means I am writing here, see, in case of in case of like fractions, in case of like fractions, only we have to add their numerators by taking the same denominator is common. That means what? I will give some example about this. So see, suppose there are the fractions like is 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4, like this it is given. So what will I have to do? In case of the like fractions, we have to add the numerators by taking the same denominators as the common. Means the same denominator, that is the 4. So what we have to do? We should take as the common the denominator 4, and the different numerators are there. So we have to add them like this. Means what we got here? 10 by 10 by 4. What is the answer? 10 by 4. Okay, and again 10 by 4 we can make it the simplest fraction by making it simple, or by divided by the same factor, that is in two table both as can be cut out. So 2 2 is 4 and 2 5 is 10. So the answer and the correct fraction by adding 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4 is equal to 5 by 2. It is the answer. Clear students? Like this means if the same fractions, like fractions will given, then you take the common as the denominator and add the numerator. If it is necessary, means if it is the proper fraction or improper fraction, according you have to simplify. Or if you will not, they having not the common factors, then you can be leave it as the answer will be come. Okay, but what will you have to do if in the case of the different denominators, means unlike fractions, if it will given. So if we had unlike fractions, next thing, if we had unlike fractions, then first, mind it, again I am telling, in that case first, okay, first we have to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction Then after converting them live fraction, we can follow these processes. Okay, then we have to follow the this process which I am telling here. So let's, how can it will happen? Let's, we have to take some example. Suppose there are the fractions 11 by 15, another is 7 by 9 plus 8 by 10. See, they are the three fractions whose denominators are the different. So these are the unlike fractions. So what will you do in this case? So what I told here, if we had the unlike fraction, first we have to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. To change them into like fraction means we have to make the denominators the same. So to make it the denominator in all the cases same, we have to first take out the LCM. Okay, LCM of 15, 9 and 10. So let's, we have to do LCM of 15, 9 and 10. So what is the answer? How we have to do? See here, 15, 9 and 10. Take out the LCM. In which table they will go? In first we have to take out in the 5 table. 5 3 is a 15, 9, 5 2 is a 10. Again it will factorize by the 3 table. 3 1, 3 3 is a and 2. Means what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 1 into 3 into 2. That is equal to, suppose it is 90, 15, 15 3 is 45, 45 to 90. Answer is 90. So now we have to make each fraction as the denominator is the 90. Okay, so we have to again change by each fraction is like with the equivalent to denominator is 90. Okay, what I told, we have to change 11 by 15 into is equivalent, it is to convert a type of fraction or equivalent fraction of 11 by 15 whose denominator must be equal to 90. So see how will I have to do. About this I already taught in last videos. So again I am telling here, 11 by 15 into I need the denominator should be 90 from the 15. So I will multiply with 6. 15 6. If the denominator will be multiplied with 6, then must be numerator also multiplied with be 6. Okay, so what is here doing? 66 by 90. See, here I got the denominator 90. Again for the next fraction I have to go 7 by 9. If it is multiplied by 10, here also multiplied by 10, then 70 by 90. See, here also denominator will come 90. Next for the 8 by 10. What? 8 by 10. 8 by 10 means it will be also multiplied with 9. Here 8 also multiplied with 9. 8 9 is 72 and denominator will come 90. Means in all the cases denominator will come 90. Means these three fractions are became like fractions now. Okay, after becoming the like fraction, unlike to like fraction, we have to follow this process. So what is 11 by 15 means what is that? 66 by 90 plus again 7 by 9 means it is 70 by 90 plus 72 by 90. Now all are having the common denominator, so we have to take out a common, then add the numerator. 66 plus 70 plus 72. Then what is the answer we are getting here? 208 by 90. Okay, see, 6 plus 2 8 and 6 7 7 14 is 20. Then 208 by 90. But 208 by 90 will again simplified with the two table. So see, 245 is 90 and here 2 1 is 2, 20 24, 104 by 45. Again see here what is the thing, it is a which type of fraction? It is the improper fraction. Means what? Improper means the numerator is larger than the denominator. So we can be divide the numerator by the denominator, getting the answer, that is 45 2 is 45 2 is 90. Then it will come 14 remainder by 45. Okay student, this is the answer. Okay, like this means what? Again I'm telling, like fraction means you have to take the common as the denominator. Simply you add the numerators, and if necessary, then you have to simplify the answer, then you got the correct fraction, that is the answer. If it is unlike fraction, then first you have to take out the LCM of the denominators to make them into like fraction. After making them like fraction, you again take out the common of the denominator, add the numerators, and go for the simplification process to get the lowest form of the fractions. Okay, next another thing I want to tell, always remember students, always your answer, here I am telling, your answer always should be in lowest fraction. Means if it can be, then you have to simplify them to get its lowest fraction, lowest form. Then only it will in lowest form, or if it will be happen in improper cases, then you have to also convert into mixed fraction. You know how it will be convert into mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means simple, 104 is to be divided with the 45, means denominator should divide the numerator to got the what, to got the mixed fraction. Okay, that is 90 and remaining is the 14. So 14 you have to place here, and 2 is the quotient, and 45 as it is the denominator. So like this you have to convert into mixed fraction. These are the things of the addition in case of like fraction, in case of unlike fraction. If there is in unlike fraction also, if there is a mixed fraction, it will given. Suppose mixed fraction means, see, one whole, it is given 1 whole 3 by 4, another plus 2 whole 2 by 3, like this if it is given. Okay, suppose plus 7 whole 1 by 2. See, again first we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So mixed fraction to improper fraction means, first it is a 4 1 4 plus 3 7 by 4. Okay, 7 by 4, then 3 2 6 6 plus 2 8 8 by 3 plus 15 by 2. 7 2 7 ja 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 by 2. Now see, here the online fractions came. Means again you have to come this process. Sorry, this process means by taking the LCM of a denominator, convert them to unlike to like. After making them the like fraction, take out the common denominator and add the numerator, got the answer, got the fraction. If it is necessary, then you have to make them simplify or lowest fraction, or you can change them into the mixed fraction. This is the ways. Okay, these are the addition of the fractions. Next, in another way, you can also solve the addition or the sum of the fraction. Okay, how? See, in another way means, here individually I am converting the each fraction into their equivalent fraction whose denominator is equal to the LCM I am getting here. So if you do like this, then it is okay. Otherwise you can also do like this. I am telling, see, this question only I am solving here. So what is that? First you up to this point as it is I am told here, you have to do, means faster you have to take out the LCM. Means I am getting the LCM is equal here, LCM is 90 here. Means what is the fractions? 11 by 5 15, 7 by 9, 8 by 10. Means LCM of 15, 9 and 10 is equal to 90. I am getting it. Okay, after getting the LCM, you write like this. It is the second method. You what will you do? So see, simply take the LCM as the denominator, and what is the after getting the LCM, you first divide the denominator with the LCM. Means what? See, LCM I am getting 90, first fraction is the 11 by 15, so you divide the 15 divide the 90 with the 15, then you got the 6. Okay, 0 means what? You are getting the answer 6. So what is the numerator here? 11 into, answer I am getting 6 by dividing the denominator, plus next is that 7 into, again you have to divide 90 with the denominator is the 9, where it is the 9. Okay, so you got the 10, 9 10 is 90. Okay, clear? So multiply the 10 again, plus another fraction is 8 by 10, so 8 should be multiplied into 90 is to be divided with 10, that is denominator. 10 9 is 90, so I get the answer 9. So 8 is multiplied with 9 here. What you understand here? First you take out the LCM. Each denominator of the fraction should be divided the LCM. That answer you are getting the question, it to be multiplied with the numerator in each case. So see, thereafter you write all that answers. 11 into 6 means it is 66, plus 7 into 10 means it is 70, 8 into 9 means it is 72. Okay, these are the things. Whole by 90, you add all these things, then you got the 208 by 90. Again you have to simplify it, then you got 104 by 45. Again you have to make them a mixed fraction as it is the improper, so 2 whole 14 by 45. This is the answer, like this. Can you understand? These are the two ways to add the online fractions. If you, which one you have to like flexible, then you can follow that thing. Both are in correct way. Next we have to learn about the subtraction of the fractions. In case of subtraction also, the whole process is the same as like as the addition. If there the like fractions are there, like fractions means, suppose there is the 7 by 5 minus 3 by 5 it is given. Both are the same denominator, so like fraction. If there is the like fraction means we have to take the denominator is the common, and denominator is the common, and just to, so it is 9. Okay, it is 9. Then we have to more subtract the numerators. 9 minus 3, 6 by 5. Clear? But what is happen here, as it is the improper fraction, so we can be divide the numerator with the denominator, then we got 1 whole 1 by 5. Then this is the answer. Clear? If they are given a unlike fraction means, suppose there is a question unlike fraction, in case of how will you do the subtraction. So see, 3 by 4 minus 3 by 8, two fractions are given, both are unlike fraction. So what you have to do in these cases, like as addition, you first take out the LCM of both denominator. LCM of 4 and 8. What you have to do? 4 and 8. So see, 2 table, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja, again 2 1, 2 2. Then LCM we are getting 2 2 into 1 into 2. Okay, that is LCM. So what is the answer? 2 2 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. LCM are getting 8. So now what you have to do? In first process, like as addition, you can follow any of the process. So see, if it is 8, so first each one we have to convert them into equivalent fraction of the denominator 8. Okay, so see, 4 into 2, 3 into 2, then 6 by 8, it becomes 8. Then again another fraction, 3 by 8, 8 1 ja 8, 3 1 ja 3, 8. Both are became the like fractions now. Now you have to take the common 8 and 6 minus 3. Then 3 by 8. This is the answer. Okay. If not, then another way also you can be do in easy way. So take the LCM 8, that is came for, it is the another way. It is the second way. What is that? 8 means what? 3 into, it should be 8 should be divided by 4. Okay, so we are getting the quotient 2. 3 into 2 minus here what I write written here, 3 into 2. Okay, 3 minus uh, another fraction that is also numerator 3. Yes, but denominator is the 8. 8 should be divided by the 8 to get the 1. So 3 1 ja 3. Then answer I am getting 3 2 ja 6 minus 3 1 ja 3 by 8. That is equal to 3 by 8. Since the answer is same. Clear? But in this case, what is that? They cannot be have the same table or the same factor. So the 3 by 8 as it is came, that we have to follow. Means that is only the answer. Okay, like this. If mixed fraction, then you have to first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then you have to follow this all these rules, all these methods. If there is a mixed fraction, then you first change the m to improper fraction, then you proceed as if they are the like, then you simply do this like, or if they are unlike, then you have to take out the LCM and subtract both the fractions. Clear, students? Thank you.